Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook diced potatoes. First, select a starchy potato like russet or Yukon Gold for a fluffy interior. Wash and peel them, then dice into uniform 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch cubes. This ensures even cooking. Next, soak the diced potatoes in cold water for at least 30 minutes. This crucial step removes excess starch, leading to crispier results and preventing them from sticking together. There are several fantastic ways to cook your diced potatoes. Pan frying in a skillet with a few tablespoons of oil yields a wonderfully crispy exterior and a soft, fluffy inside. Roasting them in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes is a great hands-off method for even browning. For a quicker finish, you can boil or steam them for 5 to 7 minutes before pan frying or roasting. Air frying also offers a healthier, crispy alternative. Seasoning is key to delicious diced potatoes. Start with a generous pinch of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a teaspoon of garlic powder. For an aromatic touch, add a tablespoon of fresh rosemary or thyme during the last 10 minutes of cooking. A half teaspoon of smoked paprika can also provide a lovely depth of flavor. Don't forget a tablespoon or 2 of olive oil or melted butter to help those seasonings adhere and create a beautiful golden crust. For truly crispy diced potatoes, remember these essential tips. Always ensure your potatoes are thoroughly dry after soaking. Pat them with a clean towel. Overcrowding your pan or baking sheet will steam them instead of crisping, so cook in batches if necessary. Flip or stir them every 5 to 7 minutes for even browning. Cook until they are beautifully golden brown and easily pierced with a fork, usually taking about 20 to 30 minutes depending on your method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.